What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Sony WH-CH510 I picked up at Walmart for $59.99, down from about $81.20. So I expect these to be pretty good. Out of 5 stars, they get 3.5 out of about 15 customer reviews. They do have a 35-hour Playtime. They are wireless. No noise cancellation on these headphones, but they do have this really nice design. They are on ear. They are cushioned. I do a lot of wireless earbuds on this channel for around the same price. These were 60 bucks. I usually do earbuds, wireless earbuds that cost around 40 bucks. But I think if you want a more superior listening experience, but don't want to spend a whole lot of money, you should probably check these out. They're going to have bigger drivers than a pair of wireless earbuds. These are wireless, so that's something to consider. They're also going to have pretty decent noise isolation due to the fact that they are on ear. So we'll just bring in the handy dandy scissors and make a little bit of an incision on the side there. And this wrapping paper should just come right off, which is really nice. So we've got the WH-CH510. Unboxings are always a challenge because not every box is the same. You don't really get anything else in the box but this warranty information. Check out what comes in this package here. I just want to make sure that this is USB Type-C. And then what else comes in the box is just some warranty information. A 1-year warranty, it looks like, and just a quick user guide on how to start them up. Okay, so let's bring in the headphones here. They're just wrapped up ever so slightly here. Lightweight so far. They don't feel like they're the highest quality headphones. I was kind of hoping that these ear cups would be a little bit larger in circumference. I haven't done a headphone review in a long time, so if I'm leaving anything out, please let me know. But we've got a plus sign, we've got a power button here that I'm sure if we just hold down, they turn right on, and they do. There's actually a blinking blue LED indicator light letting us know that they are on and pairing and ready to be paired. And these are all integrated buttons, by the way, so I'm sure if you hold down this power button, you can activate the voice assistant, but we'll have to try that out. And of course, the plus and minus buttons are integrated to be fast forward and rewind. You can see you get that USB Type-C charging connector port. They do have an adjustable headband there, as you can see. I don't think they fold in like your typical pair of earbuds do, or your typical pair of over-the-ear headphones. What's really nice about these headphones is you do get the Sony logo on the ear cups themselves. What's a little bit interesting is if you actually pick up the Sony WF-1000 XM3 or the WH-1000 XM3, excuse me, Sony's over-the-ear headphones, they actually have very minimal branding on them. So if you want a pair of Sony headphones with minimal branding, you're gonna have to step up to the WH-CH510, which had also minimal branding, and or the WH-1000 XM3. Like I said, really lightweight. Let's go ahead and throw them on our head and see how comfortable they are. Now, what's gonna be really nice about on-ear headphones when compared to wireless earbuds is you're gonna get a consistent noise isolation sort of mode with these. When it comes to wireless earbuds, they can sort of fall out of your ear and move around as you use them throughout the day. But usually with on-ear headphones, they stay put and provide a really consistent experience, which is actually a huge benefit, which I guess would justify the extra $20 over, say, a pair of Fire G20 wireless earbuds. Enough with me rambling. Let's go ahead and see how they sound. They should come up right at the bottom, and they do. So WH-CH510, we'll go ahead and we'll connect. And what's really nice is there is a voice over the headphones themselves that says Bluetooth connected. I'm also going to try them out with a decibel meter. I'm going to see how much sound they emit. So give me just a few minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so the verdict is in. Really phenomenal pair of headphones. The Sony WH-CH510. No noise cancellation, but the noise isolation benefits you get from them are off the charts. Better than a pair of wireless earbuds, I suspect. The sound quality you're going to get compared to a pair of wireless earbuds is also much, much better. And that's to be expected because the drivers are bigger. You know, just the technology that you can fit on the inside of these headphones is going to be just greater in size. And when you have drivers that are greater in size, they're going to produce better sound and better volume. They're going to be louder. They're going to produce richer, fuller bass, which these do. Aside from that, I was listening to music at the maximum volume on these, and I did try out the decibel meter to see how much sound these emit. And they only emit up to about 54 decibels, which is in line with wireless earbuds of the same price. Even just wireless earbuds in general, I think the Apple AirPods Pro emit up to about 52, 53 decibels, 54 decibels at the highest volume. It's the same with these. And it's actually a little bit better due to the fact that I think there's just some foam padding around. So, you know, music bleed out, it's not going to be as bad. So you can listen to them at a lower volume, I think, and enjoy them. So like I said, you're not really gonna have to worry about that music bleed out. Also, I did have a chance to test out the buttons on the side of the ear cup here. So yes, they are integrated into, you know, plus minus. The play pause button is Siri. You actually double click it to activate the voice assistant. So that just goes to show you how intuitive and easy to use these are. What I really like is the lightweight design, and I like this sort of material. It's a really nice hard plastic. It's not a cheap feeling plastic. When I take them off my head, there's no creaking or cracking or anything like that. They're really solid. They're really well built, actually. They're just lightweight. They're just a lightweight plastic, and they're a little bit smaller than your other headphones. So they don't use as much technology as, say, a pair of Bose noise canceling 700 or QC35-2 or the Sony WH-CH510 They're a small, lightweight pair of your headphones, excuse me, and they're just built that way. The mid-range is there, the vocals are there, the treble is there, the bass is full, it's rich. Might be a little bit overpowering, but if you mess around with your EQ settings, if you turn bass reducer on, or maybe turn on treble booster, or maybe turn on jazz mode, you can probably mitigate some of that extra bass. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions of the Sony WH-CH510 I picked up at Walmart, which makes them a big box good. I'm here to say that these are a fantastic pair of headphones. Even if they do go back up to $80, I still think they're worth it. I think the sound quality is good enough. And if they go back up to $80, then they're just competing with the Anker Liberty Air 2s, which are an AirPods alternative. You know, it doesn't matter if you pick them up now or later, you're gonna enjoy them either way. But try to pick them up now while they're 60 bucks. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.